Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, a dual exhaust with rear recovery hooks, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera. We got a bed camera as well with a lovely tailgate step. We do get mud flaps on the rear and front, Tremor gripped running boards with keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, and turn light indicated, or side view camera. Moving to the front here, we got yellow recovery hooks, block heater, front park sensing, and front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black and yellow leather interior. Plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior with storage and cup holders, heated middle seats, rear vents, 12 volt with USB and USB-C, 120 volt. You can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. But we do get the upgraded B&O Sound System in the headrest, as well as the speakers on the door, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors lock, powered folding mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake pedal adjusters, and a nice telescopic steering wheel column, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 54,646 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer, digital RPMs, my view, trip and feel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Center console that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop, meal, all that jazz. Storage below. We do get our drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated and cooling front seats and dual climate. We do get our 12 volt and 120 storage above, below. On the dash, up the door switches, you can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener. Our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Garage door transmitter. We have our 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, park sensing, hazards, traction, and your trail control, which is pretty handy. We got our audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, your navigations, search, recent, saved, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, have audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, trailer turn, power tailgate. Any apps being downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8347, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.